Hi everyone, my name is Reza Salehi and welcome to my course Configuring Data Security Policies in Microsoft Azure. I am a cloud consultant and trainer. Did you know several data regulations instruct companies to keep classified customer data in the same country it was collected? How would you enforce this in a global cloud platform? In this course, we are going to use Microsoft Azure's data security offerings to answer this question. Some of the major topics that we will cover include enforcing data sovereignty in Microsoft Azure, implementing data classification, configuring data retention policies, and the Azure Policy Service. By the end of this course, you'll know how to enforce data security policies in Microsoft Azure. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the Azure portal. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Azure data security and privacy with the Configuring Data Security Policies in Microsoft Azure course at Pluralsight.